Hey there, fitness enthusiasts! Welcome to another exciting journey into the world of fitness. Today, let's talk about resistance training, a fantastic way to level up your health and well-being. It's a cornerstone of any effective fitness regimen. In simple terms, resistance training is any exercise that forces your muscles to work against a force. Think of lifting weights, using resistance bands, or even just your own body weight. These exercises are designed to make your muscles stronger by challenging them. It's all about challenging those muscles and pushing them to adapt and grow stronger. The more you push, the more they grow. Resistance training isn't just about building big muscles, though that's definitely a bonus. It's also about enhancing muscle endurance and tone. It's about improving your overall health and fitness. We're talking increased strength, better heart health, improved mood, and even stronger bones. It's a total body transformation, inside and out. You'll feel more energetic, confident, and ready to tackle any challenge. You don't need to be a gym rat to reap the benefits either. Resistance training is incredibly versatile and can be done anywhere. Whether you're a seasoned athlete or just starting your fitness journey, resistance training can be adapted to any fitness level. It's perfect for everyone. So, are you ready to unleash your inner powerhouse? Embrace the challenge and see the amazing changes in your body and mind. Let's dive into the amazing science-backed benefits of resistance training. Stay tuned and get ready to transform your life. We all know that cardio is good for the heart, but did you know that resistance training is a heart-healthy hero too? That's right. Regular resistance training can help lower blood pressure, improve cholesterol levels, and even reduce your risk of heart disease. How does it work? When you challenge your muscles, your heart has to work harder to pump blood throughout your body. This strengthens your heart muscle and improves its efficiency. It's like giving your cardiovascular system a powerful tune-up. Don't worry, you don't need to pump iron for hours on end to see results. Studies have shown that even moderate resistance training, a couple of times a week, can make a significant difference in your heart health. So grab those weights and get pumping for a healthier, happier heart. Remember, it's important to start with a proper warm-up and end with a cool-down to keep your muscles flexible and prevent injury. Also, stay hydrated, eat a balanced diet, and give your body time to rest and recover. Set realistic fitness goals and track your progress to stay motivated. Celebrate your milestones no matter how small. Consider joining a fitness class or working out with a friend to make your exercise routine more enjoyable and social. With these tips, you'll be on your way to a stronger heart and a healthier, more vibrant life. Keep moving and stay heart healthy. Let's face it, we all want to look and feel our best. Whether it's fitting into that favorite pair of jeans or just feeling more energetic throughout the day, the desire to improve our physical appearance and overall health is universal. Well, good news. Resistance training is a key player in achieving your weight management goals. It's not just about lifting heavy weights. It's about consistency and the right techniques. It's a powerful tool for torching fat and sculpting a lean, toned physique. When you engage in resistance training, you're not only building strength, but also enhancing your body's ability to burn fat. Here's the science behind it. Muscle is metabolically active tissue, meaning it burns more calories than fat, even at rest. This is why people with more muscle mass tend to have higher metabolic rates. By building muscle through resistance training, you're essentially boosting your metabolism and turning your body into a calorie-burning machine. This increased metabolism helps you burn more calories throughout the day, even when you're not actively working out. Resistance training also helps increase your lean body mass, which is the amount of weight you carry that isn't fat. This is crucial for maintaining a healthy body composition and achieving a toned look. This means you'll be burning more calories throughout the day, even when you're not working out. Talk about a win-win. So, whether you're at work, relaxing at home, or even sleeping, your body is constantly working to keep you in shape. Embrace resistance training and watch your body transform. Thanks for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed the information and found it helpful. Remember, the content here is for educational purposes and not a substitute for professional medical advice. Always consult with a healthcare professional before making any major health decisions. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated. Don't forget to check the links below for additional resources. Thanks for watching and supporting the channel. See you in the next video.